What's up everybody, welcome back to my kitchen where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to put to the test 5 more kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first gadget I got here this weird egg separator yolk stir. That's the name of it. So let's see if it's actually going to be any good. Looks like a common tool. Stick one like that, it will fit any kind of bowl because it has lots of legs. Much smaller bowl with a sharper edge. Look at that. Fits really good. Kind of like the black balls because we can actually see what's going on. Let's crack an egg. Whoops, fail. And just like on the description, you lift it up and shake it up. I mean, it works. No complaints. Boom, and we got ourselves a separated yolk. Let's do another one real quick. This is just so unique. Look at that. Probably easier to just shake up the whole bowl so the egg yolk comes out all the way. Okay, let's try another one. Boom. It sits so well, check this out. Boom, pop it in, ready to go. Shake it up. You know what? I think the whole plate, unless you have a bowl, is a lot easier to shake. But it also works like that. That first egg was kind of weird. But boom, 3 eggs separated quickly. I like this gadget a lot. For the next gadget, I got here adjustable, very unique strainer like I never seen before. I just ordered it and it came in within 2 days on Amazon. So I have here 2 different sizes of pots. Let's start with the bigger pot. You just put it in. Kind of slides on me a little bit. There you go. Nice. Look at that. Will it hold though? Those clips seems to be pretty strong, and I like how they have silicone on them, so that way they won't slide. But we'll see how strong they are once we try to stain some pelmeni or something. So another one right here, kind of I guess put it in and then push it forward. Look at that. On a small pot it also works well. While pelmeni is cooking, I'm going to put to the test the next gadget. I got here Moo mixer. So this is a hot chocolate mixer. Let's see how it works. In particular, you know, those things are really hard to mix because there's so much in there. So this is actually really cool. Whoa, check this out. So that's a minus about this thing. You have here batteries and it's only hand wash. But I think this whole thing comes out. Boom. Yep, the whole thing comes out. So it should be a bit easier to rinse everything off. Well, except this thing still. So I would keep it closed and rinse it off together after you use it. But if you really have to wash it, you can still take it off and put it into the dishwashing machine. Then twist it up, it's closed. Does it take batteries? Yeah, how do you put the batteries in? Okay, right here, 2 AA batteries. I'm boiling water for this thing, but looks like we stick it like that. Next we're gonna put hot chocolate in. It's actually really cold right now, so this is very appropriate. Okay, there goes nothing. Oops, we'll put some hot water in there. Okay, now let's press this and look what happens. This is probably way better view over the top like this. That's definitely going to mix it up. I wish it was a little bit higher quality. At the end of the day, it seems to be a little bit cheaply made. But still super cool. Now you can put the sippy cup on and take it to go. Okay, pelmeni are boiling. There you go. Now I have to strain them. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Just stick it like that. And then a second one gonna go into here. Boom. Adjust really good. Now let's go put it into the sink. There goes nothing. full force, shake it up with all the pelmeni inside of it. I can't believe it. It sits in there so well, I cannot believe it. Look at that, we can really get all the water out. Wow, could be the best strainer I ever have put to the test. Because look at that, pelmeni all ready to go without any water. And this side here, collapsible, takes up less space. Wow, works really well. By the way, this is pretty new gadget, I never seen it before. For the next gadget I got here, wine dispenser. Let's see how it works. Looks like it's rechargeable. Hopefully it's charged enough for me just to put it to the test. Oh wow, look at that. One more component we need to install is one of these wires. Let's see, deep enough? Yep. So just push it all the way in. Looks good. Okay, and then we're gonna put it into the bottle, and you see it's like a cork over here. It will latch in. Now let's try it out. All we have to do, looks like, is just press it right here. This is white wine, as you can see, but it works super well. And you know what's the best part is? Ooh, you don't even have to hold it. Whoa, that's also is awesome. But the best part is you don't have to worry about resealing it. As you can see, it's already sealed. So you want to pour some more, press it, wait. This is really cool. I like it a lot. Also, it's rechargeable, so when it dies, I'll recharge it. I guess to wash it, all I have to do is just put it in the water and run it for a while to get rid of all that wine inside of this tube. But look at that, this is so cool, discreet, much as the wine. I love it. Easy to dispense, super cool gadget and simple. Those are my favorite, when they look good and work good. So we got here hot chocolate, all mixed up. Guess what? We need to have some more chocolate on top of chocolate. I got right here a chocolate grinder, but by this brand, I think I have put to the test their cheese slicer before, the spiral one. Super good company. Anyways, let's open up, see if this gadget actually works. Ooh, nice, high quality ceramic. And all we got here is a blade right here, so be careful. Wow, look at. Put chocolate in, twist, and then you'll have shavings on top right here. Wow, this is very interesting. I like that idea. Got my chocolate, fill it up like this. Might be too much, and the blade is this way. All I have to do is just pack it and then twist it like that. See what happens? Can you guys see? If you don't push as hard, you'll have it skinnier shavings, but this is beautiful. Now you can put the chocolate on ice cream anywhere. Just pour it onto your hot chocolate, whatever. Does not stick in there. Now all I have to do is put it in the refrigerator for next time use. I got here probably the best tomato slicer ever. So you put the tomato in here and then you slice it by pushing this in. And this is all blades inside of it. I'm going to show you with few couple of different angles so you can see what's going on. First of all, how do you load up a tomato? Put it inside here, and that's it. And then you push it forward. Whoa! No way! You know what? I'm supposed to hold my hand over here, just in case. It shut off all the... No, I didn't shut off all of the tomatoes. Just a couple of them. But look at these perfect slices. Every one of them. So awesome. Love it. Okay, one more angle of that. How cool is that? Wow. Perfect sliced tomato once again. You know what? I'm definitely keeping this gadget for sure. This is perfect for burgers, for parties, when you need Couple of tomatoes sliced perfectly. This is nice. Let me show it to you. Another tomato sliced, but this time close up. All these blades are very high quality. Look at that. I can even slice them very slowly. Boom. At the end over there, pushed it too hard. But again, this is pretty soft tomatoes, and it has no problem slicing them up. This is so epic. Wow, sometimes paying over $200 for gajic is pretty worth it, especially if you have a restaurant or whatever, you love tomatoes. Maybe you'll enjoy this gajic a lot. Slice another tomato. Do you see how fast it was? You know what? Maybe put a plate at the end there so everything falls in the plate. Next test, what we're going to do is slice as fast as possible 4 tomatoes. Let's see what can it do. Okay, there goes nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.